Hi, and welcome to how to integrate Zendesk CRM with PBXware video tutorial. Start by logging into your Zendesk account. Under Admin, Channel Settings, click on API. Make sure that the API password access is enabled. While in Zendesk, take note what your Zendesk domain name is. In our case, it's amazingcompany.zendesk.com. Next, log into your PBXware. Select your desired tenant, and under Settings, navigate to CRM Integration section. Click the Enable option to enable CRM integration services, and make sure that CRM type is set to Zendesk. Under API URL, enter your Zendesk domain name /API/v2. In our case, it's amazingcompany.zendesk.com/API/v2. Next, under Page URL, enter your Zendesk domain name. Select the desired log options and click Save button to apply the settings. To make sure that everything is set correctly, you can run a test. Inside of CRM test window, under username, enter your Zendesk account email. And for the password, enter your Zendesk password. Click the Run button to run a test. If you have entered everything correctly, you will see a success message. Thank you for watching this video, and if you need more help, be sure to visit Bicom Systems Wikimedia page.